Namaskar. Now let's explore Tishra Jati in two different speeds, single and double. Let's try this with the music. I will keep saying the bols as long as I can. When you are doing your riyaz, make sure you say the bols yourself, because it's almost imperative for every Kathak dancer to be able to command what she wants from herself and from her musicians. Let's go ahead with the music. One, two, three, 4, 5, 6, 7. Go slow. Two. Double of this. Four times we'll go slow and then we go fast. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you liked it. If you don't want to miss any of the videos we upload here, why not subscribe to the channel? Also, please do send us your feedback. It'll help us improve our program. Let's share. Happy dancing!